Hello everyone, there is an important update for all of you and it is a good news for all of you because those who are very much serious about your foundation and about your complete course on computer science, those are preparing in computer science. If you are preparing for UGC NET or if you are preparing for any other exam or if you are a college student also, then also these two courses will be very much helpful for all of you, that because I am going to start the foundation course and the complete course side by side. The foundation course is going to start from the 5th May and the complete course is going to start from 12th May. This foundation course timing will be 3:30 p.m. 90-minute session will be there and the complete course timing will be 9:15 p.m. That is a preferable time for most of the learner. That's why I am taking class in that time. Now I am coming to the details of the course, which topic I am going to cover here and why I am telling this course will be definitely beneficial. So please watch the video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update and to get all the notification from this channel. So here you can see this is the foundation course, the foundation of computer, that is very important. Big mathematical foundation of basis mathematical induction, that is important. After that, number system, Boolean algebra and simplification of Boolean algebra, mathematical logic, digital logic circuit, all are very important here. After that, I am going to start here the data structure and algorithm. You will get data structure algorithm 10 classes here, including the doubt clearing session. This is a good opportunity because each and every after each 3 session you will get the doubt clearing session here. You can clear your all doubt. I will be live. You can ask your doubt and I will clear your doubt here. So it will be total live session. As due to pandemic, you cannot go outside from your home, you cannot go to college, you cannot go to coaching center. So on Unacademy platform, you can get the advantage of learning from home. So take the advantage. Then after that, in the complete course, what topic I am going to cover, you can see here. In the complete course, unit 1, I am going to cover all the mathematical part of discrete structure and optimization. Here, that is the set theory and the LPP optimization and propositional logic, everything I am going to cover here. After that, you can see discrete structure and optimization, there are all the classes. After that, here next unit is, I am showing you the next unit. The next unit is, that is computer architecture. So computer architecture, there are so many classes with doubt clearing session. Then the programming language, computer graphics, next database management system, then operating system, then software engineering. Then you can see the theory of a computation, that is most important, and after theory of computation there is compiler, computer network, after computer network, artificial intelligence. So you can see all the topic of the computer science here will be covered, and the course duration for the foundation course is on the month of May, that is 5th May to 31st May, and the complete course duration is, that is 12th May to 13th August. So if you can take the subscription till 13th August, must start your subscription within 5th May till 31st August. Okay, so 13th August. So here you have to click on the get subscription. I am giving the link of the 2 courses. Any of the courses you can take the subscription. It is a common subscription in Unacademy platform. Here you can select Plus and Iconic. In the Plus subscription, you can cover all the courses under Unacademy platform, including these courses. There are other courses also. If you want to learn from other educator, that will be also available. And if you are preparing for UGC NET, then paper 1 will be also available. In the Iconic, you will get extra personal coach, personalized doubt clearing session, interview preparation and everything in Iconic extra benefit. So here if you select the Plus, then you can see the subscription fees of the Plus, that is 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. Here you can see view all plan. If you see the view all plan, then 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So at least if you want to cover till August, then at least you have to go for 6 months. other than it will be not covered, or at least 3 months without that you cannot cover it. So here EMI option is also here, and here if you are applying my referral code, that is Priyanka CS, PRIYANKACS, then after applying you can get here 10% off. So this is the 10% off. You can see 1 month here it is near about 2600, here 5000, here 10,000, 12,000 and 80,000. So it is the subscription fees under Unacademy platform, not only for my courses, it is for all the courses. Here the iconic, if you are going to the iconic, then you have to click on the iconic subscription, and this is the plan for the iconic subscription. Okay, so as per your choice, you can go for plus, you can go for iconic, but definitely iconic will be better, and must use my referral code Priyanka CS to get 10% off. Take your subscription, start your preparation with me, with Unacademy foundation course and the complete course, and batch courses is also coming soon. If you are preparing for UGC NET, then batch courses including the computer science, there will be paper 1 courses also. So inside this one subscription you can avail all the courses. I am repetitively telling, it is not the fees for my courses, it is complete fees for all the courses including my courses. So definitely take your subscription, start your preparation with me. See you soon in my coming class on 5th May. Thank you. Bye bye. Please share this video to all of your friends and subscribe to the channel. Bye.